Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a fast food restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the restaurant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. About 200 years ago in America, what was ketchup sold as? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this place is really big.
Yeah, this one is the biggest in town. It is always busy at lunch.
Look at all these people. The line is long, but it is moving fast.
That is the fun part. Fast food is fast.
Look at that menu board up there. It is huge. So many pictures.
I know. New people often feel a little lost when they see it.
That is me right now. I do not know what to order. There are too many things.
Do not worry, I will help you. We have time.
Thanks. Is there a simple way to do this? Some kind of plan?
Yes, there is. For fast food, ordering is only 3 steps. Very simple.
Only 3? That sounds easy. Tell me.
Step 1. You choose your food. A burger, chicken, or fish. Just pick one main thing.
Okay. Step 1. Choose the main food.
Step 2. You choose a combo, or just the food, and the size.
Wait, what is a combo? I hear that word a lot.
A combo is a set, a burger, fries, and a drink, all together, like a meal set.
Oh, a meal set. That's easy.
And the size, small, medium, or large. Choose the size you want.
Got it. Step 2, combo or not, and size.
Step 3, the staff will ask for here or to go.
For here or to go. What does that mean?
It means eat here or take it home. Just say for here or to go.
Oh, I see. That is good to know. I almost missed that.
That's it. 3 steps. Food, combo and size, here or to go.
It really is simple when you say it like that.
Now what do you want?
A cheeseburger looks good. Let me try by myself.
Go for it. I'll save us a table by the window.
Okay, here I go. Wish me luck.
You'll be fine. Just remember the 3 steps.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Sure, 1 cheeseburger. Would you like the combo or just the burger?
What is in the combo? Just to be sure.
The combo has a cheeseburger, fries, and a drink, all together.
And what about the price? Is it different from just the burger?
Good question. The combo is a little cheaper, about $1 less.
Oh, that is a good price. Then I will take the combo, please.
Great choice. And what size? Small, medium, or large?
How big is the medium? In Japan, the sizes feel smaller.
Yes, the sizes here are bigger. The medium is good for 1 person.
1 person size. Got it.
The large is for very hungry days. Some people share it.
I am hungry, but not that hungry. The medium, please.
Got it. 1 medium combo. And what drink would you like?
What do you have? Can you tell me the choices?
Sure. We have cola, lemon soda, orange soda, iced tea, and water.
I will go with cola.
A cola. Got it. For here or to go?
Sorry, can you say that one more time?
Of course. Will you eat here or take it with you?
Oh, I see. For here, please. I will eat here with my friend.
Perfect. Let me check your order. 1 cheeseburger combo, medium, with a cola for here.
Yes, that is right.
That comes to $8.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt, and your number is 42.
42. Where do I pick it up?
Just over there at the next counter. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Got it. Thank you so much. I did it.
You did great. Have a nice meal.
Thanks. 3 steps. She was right.
Number 42, your order is ready.
Hi, that is us. Number 42?
Here is your tray. 1 cheeseburger combo, medium.
Thank you so much. Let me check the order.
Please do. 1 cheeseburger, 1 medium fries, and 1 empty cup. You can get your drink at the drink station.
Oh, an empty cup. Got it. The cola is over there?
Yes. Cola, soda, water, all at the drink machine. You fill it yourself.
Oh, wait. Can I get some ketchup too?
Sure. How many do you need?
Maybe 5 or 6. I love ketchup on my fries. A lot of it.
Me too. Here you go. 6 of them.
Thanks. And where are the napkins?
The napkins and straws are at the drink station too, right behind you, by the window.
Oh, I see them now. Got it.
Take as many napkins as you need. Burgers can make your hands a little dirty.
Good idea. I always need a lot of napkins for fries with ketchup.
Same here. Anything else?
Hey, do you know something fun? About 200 years ago in America, some people sold tomato pills as medicine.
Tomato pills? Like a medicine?
Yes, they believed tomatoes were good for the stomach. People bought them at the medicine shop.
Wait, people took tomato pills like real medicine?
Yes, for a few years. Then people just started eating tomatoes and ketchup as food.
Wow, that is a fun story. I will tell my friends today.
Please do. They will be surprised.
I will never look at ketchup the same way again.
Sorry about that.
Have a nice day. And the refills here are free, by the way. Just come back to the drink machine.
Refills are free? Good to know. Thanks so much.
Enjoy your meal.
You too. Have a good day at work.
Now let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is combo, a meal set with a main, a side, and a drink. For example, I will take the cheeseburger combo, please. The second word is fries, small pieces of potato cooked in hot oil. These fries are hot and salty. The third word is ketchup, a sweet red sauce made from tomatoes. For example, can I have some ketchup with my fries? The fourth word is napkin, a small piece of paper for cleaning your hands. For example, please take some napkins from the drink station. The fifth word is tray, a flat board for carrying food and drinks. For example, carry your tray to the table. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Ken and Lily at the fast food restaurant.
Here is your tray. The cheeseburger looks really nice.
Thanks for bringing it. I am so hungry now.
Me too. Let us eat before it gets cold.
These fries are hot and salty. So good.
Right? French fries are my favorite part of a fast food meal.
Wait, French fries. So they come from France, right? The name says it.
That is what most people think, but it is not so clear.
Not so clear. What do you mean?
Belgium and France both say fries started in their country.
Belgium and France? Both?
Yes, People in Belgium were cooking small pieces of potato in hot oil long ago.
A long time ago, huh?
And people in France were doing the same thing.
So no one knows for sure?
Right. There are many stories about the name French, but we do not know which one is true.
Wow. So the name French fries might be wrong.
Or it might be right. We just do not know.
That is so interesting. A small food, but a big mystery.
I like that. A big mystery in a small fry.
You make me learn something new every time I eat with you.
That is sweet. I just like to share fun stories.
So in Belgium today, do people still eat a lot of fries?
Yes, a lot. They have small shops just for fries. They are called fry shops.
A shop just for fries? I want to go someday.
Maybe we can. We can try real Belgian fries.
Belgian fries. I like the name.
Yes, but for today, just enjoy these fries.
Okay, they are really good. The best fries I've had in a while.
I told you fast food has its good points.
And the cheeseburger's good too. The cheese is hot and the bread is soft.
That is what I like about this place. Simple food, but done well.
I agree. Hey, what is in this sauce on the burger?
I think it is ketchup and mayo mixed together. Most fast food places have their own sauce.
It tastes great, different from Japan.
Try it next time with extra sauce. It's a different burger.
Lily, my cup is empty. Did they forget my cola?
No. At this restaurant, you fill it yourself.
Wait, what? I do it myself? Are you serious?
Yes, very serious. At many fast food places in America, the staff gives you only the empty cup.
Only the cup? Just like that?
Right. Then you come to this drink machine.
I had no idea. I was just standing there with an empty cup, not understanding why.
It happens to many people the first time. You are not the only one.
So how does this machine work?
Look, you push the cup here, like this, and the drink comes out.
Oh, it is easy. And there are so many choices on the buttons.
Yes, cola, lemon soda, orange soda, water, iced tea, pick anything you want.
I will go with cola. What about ice?
Ice comes out from the right side. Press for ice first, then the drink.
Got it. Ice first, then drink.
And can I tell you the best part?
What is it?
In many places, you can fill your cup again for free. If your cup is empty, just come back.
Free refills? That is great.
Yes, so you can try a different drink if you want.
But I should not take too much. That is not nice.
Right, take only what you can drink.
I will be careful. One more thing. After we eat, what do we do with the tray?
We carry it to the trash cans and clean up our own table.
We carry our own tray? We do that in Japan too. Where do I put this one?
There's a big trash bin near the door.
A big trash bin. Got it.
You drop the paper and cups in the trash, then put the empty tray on top.
Got it. Trash goes in, tray goes on top.
And the table. Cleaning the table a little with a napkin is nice for the next person.
That is a nice thing to do. I will do that too.
Most people here do it. It's a small thing, but it helps.
So many small things to learn. That was a really good meal. I am full now.
It was. So how was your first time ordering by yourself?
It was easy. You were right. It was only 3 steps.
See? Choose the food, choose the combo and size, and for here or to go.
I was nervous at first, but the staff was very kind.
Most fast food staff are happy to help new customers. Just ask.
Next time, I can do it by myself, without you.
I am proud of you. That is a big step.
Hey, look at that line of cars over there. It is so long.
That is the drive-thru. You order from your car. You do not come inside.
Drive-thru. Order from your car.
Yes,
There are so many cars, more than the people inside the store.
Really? More than inside?
At some fast food restaurants, more than half of the sales come from the drive-thru.
Wow, more than half. That is a lot.
It is faster, and you do not need to park. You can stay in your car.
That makes sense. People are busy.
And in the morning, the drive-thru gets really long. People grab coffee on the way to work.
Of course, morning coffee is important. I want to try the drive-thru next time.
It's fun, but the staff talks fast on the speaker, so you need to listen well.
I will get better with time.
You will be fine. You did great today.
Thanks. I'm not so nervous now.
I am happy to hear that.
Today, I learned so many things. Combos, sizes, for here or to go, self-serve drinks.
And the tomato pill story, and the big French fries mystery.
Right. Fast food is more interesting than I thought.
It is part of the culture here. Every country has its own fast food style.
That is true. Japan has its own way too.
Right. Each one is fun in its own way.
Let us go home. A short walk will feel good.
Good idea. And maybe next week, drive-thru day.
Drive-thru day. I like the sound of that.
I will help you again. We can do it together.
Thanks, Lily. I really learned a lot today.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. About 200 years ago in America, what was ketchup sold as? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.